Good morning, guys. 1 second. Where is my mouse? Guys, give me a second. Just 1 second, okay, guys? Okay, okay, guys, I'm back. Everything is working now. So, hello, guys. Welcome to our live trading session. Today is Friday, last day for us to make some profits. We're gonna have a look on the charts. We're gonna try to find some opportunities on the market. This week for us is pretty good because we got total profit on our live trading sessions. I'm not talking about trading after the sessions, but during our live trading session this week, I made $20,000 so far. So hopefully today is gonna be a good day for us, and we're gonna make some more profits, guys. We can check the week. So basically on Monday, I had loss minus $2,150, but Tuesday $9,500. Wednesday 7,500 and yesterday $5,579. Before we start, I want to show you yesterday trade because during our afternoon session I've opened a trade on GBP USD, and let's have a look what happened on with this GBP USD. Trade was open using order flow, and guys, just before news, 5 minutes before news, you can see 255. So it was basically 355. The trade was closed, and 5 minutes after we had news. I was about to close this trade, but you can see just in time the trade was closed. Profit of $1,900. So that was pretty good trade. Okay, guys, let's have a look at our microeconomic calendar. Let's check what's going on today. And today we're supposed to have non-farm payrolls 2:30 p.m., but those news have been moved to next week. So non-farm payrolls, I think now we're gonna have on the 11th. Yes, on the 11th of February. This is unusual because usually we have non-farm payrolls on the first Friday of the month, and I can't remember to see those news on Wednesday. This is crazy because we got those news on Wednesday. Even if this kind of news were moved, they were usually moved till next week to Friday, and now we're gonna have on Wednesday. But it's okay for us. It's a good information because we don't have too many important news today. Only today is 6. We got only employment change and unemployment rate in Canada 230. So we're gonna include that in our trading plan. And 4 p.m. we got some news in United States. So I think it's a good day for trading, especially morning, because we got plenty of time to find some good setup. So guys, let's move on to the charts and let's see what's going on. What's going on? Gold is dropping down. Okay. Not sure where to start. Maybe we're gonna start from gold. Why not? Yesterday during our live trading session, we were talking about area for reaction. I think that area was marked here. we can have a look in our, I don't think it was included. Okay, we were talking about this. I didn't set pending order because I've opened too many trades, but you can see this area worked perfectly, and 5-to-1 risk to reward we could get from that trade. Unfortunately, the trade wasn't open, so but the plan worked perfectly. So that's good information for us. Okay, so what's going on gold 1 hour time frame? Let's have a look. Because gold dropped down yesterday, and today we got strong impulse going up. Already 2,500 pips bullish move. The price stopped. Let's see where they stopped. This is the current trend line, resistance line, and we can see it's working pretty well. It's working pretty well because the price stopped. If we're gonna have situation that the price will break through, probably we will see continuation of bullish move today. I'm not surprised that the price dropped because there was some gap left behind right here, and you can see price got to this gap, they close it, and now they are going up. So if you look at the left hand side over here, we don't have any imbalances. It all has been settled. It's all done. No imbalances here. That was the last gap left behind. The price got here and they close it. So there is a chance that the gold will continue its growth today. So probably we're going to look for some long positions, but I'm not saying no to bearish option as well. First of all, I can see from 1 hour time frame that we got some kind of support resistance zone. It has been retested twice already. That is our support resistance zone. So if I'm gonna look for some long positions, probably I will wait. I'm gonna wait for the price to break through this support, and then maybe we're gonna have continuation of bullish move. Let's go to 5 minutes time frame. We can see price is moving up today. And can we find any rotation channel up here from today's? Let's have a look. It's gonna be hard because like this it doesn't work. No, it doesn't work like this. No, it doesn't work. It's I cannot fit that rotation channel anywhere. So we need to leave it. We need to leave it. We can try to use also AI volume indicator, but before we're gonna do that, let's check if we got any important zones where the price can drop, and maybe you're gonna look for some trades from that area. So first of all, I want to check the whole impulse since morning. And according to fixed range volume profile, this area could be nice, but you can see the price got to this area, and I'm not sure, but it can work basically, but I'm not gonna set pending order. It can work because we got some liquidity down here, so maybe the price will drop and buyers will activate. That can happen, maybe. But this area, I don't like this area too much. So we're gonna have to find something else. We can have a look at AI volume indicator, what's going on at this moment. And we are in some volume zone right here, and we got break of resistance, and the price is retesting this area. We can see reactions here, so maybe if we're gonna have reaction now and information from our volume indicator, we might open the position, but this area can be a little bit tricky because of this trend line right here. So even if we're gonna have nice candle information from our AI indicator, it can be hard because we can bounce from here. So we need to be careful with this setup. I want to check if we got any target from All-in ASAP. Expert advisors, let's check 7 a.m. Guys, we have a target. This target statistics, 83% of targets are settled the same day. Not sure, we might drop down here, but maybe the price will go first up here. This volume level is quite interesting. Why? Because we got equal highs over here and there is some liquidity above this level. So we're gonna have a look. I want to add this level to the trading view because maybe from this area somewhere we're gonna look for some short positions. Okay, so this level is 4916. 491651. Four one nine six six 51. 491616, sorry. 651. So we got volume level. Also, this is volume area. So this area might be quite good for us to sell. Let me just remove this indicator for now. Look at here, guys. We got equal highs. Equal highs right here. I'm gonna leave this trend line for now, but I'm gonna change color. Color for, yeah, like this can be good. And so we got equal highs right here, and we got some liquidity above this highs right here. So there is a chance that the price will react here. There is volume level, so we can try to find the place to enter the position. Let me just check this impulse right here. Where is it? Now this is a little bit higher. We got point of control here, but this is only from this impulse. So I want to check session volume profile. The session volume profile also doesn't tell us anything. So can we set order at volume level? Probably yes. This can be a risky setup. I would like to have some more confirmations, but this is liquidity zone and volume level, so we might see activation of buyers. We can try to set pending order on the volume level, but this can be a risky setup. If we're gonna go higher, we might open the position here and we can try to get to the target, which is down the bottom. So let's have a look. Maybe I will set pending order. I know this is a risky setup, but sometimes I take setups like this. That's not a problem. If the risk is calculated and the risk is small, like 0.1% per of capital, guys, this is nothing. So even if I hit stop loss, I don't care. I don't care. If you hit stop loss and you start crying, guys, that means your stop loss was too big, your risk was too high. So you can have setups more risky, but you need to lower your risk of capital. Okay, so let's set pending order. Why not? I'm gonna do that right now on gold. I want to set order at volume level. Risky setup, but guys, sometimes it's working very well. So why not? 5 minutes time frame. I want to just check. This is 1651. Okay, order is set. Not yet. Stop loss for 100 pips. A bit tight. And take profit. We're gonna do 0.1. I don't want to risk more because there is a chance on this one that we're gonna hit stop loss. It's like maybe not 50-50, but I prefer to set small one because we can get much more. Target this is level at level 9687, 9687, so we can get 5-to-1, 1-to-5 risk to reward ratio, guys. So I'm gonna set take profit right here. Okay, I'm gonna place the order, sell limit. Order is placed, so let's check later what's gonna happen. Small risk, but I need to put that in our trading journal, of course. I'm gonna make a screenshot from here. Okay, I can be from here. Save. Today is the 6th of January. And this is gold. Okay, like you can see, order is set. I'm gonna put that in our trading journal. Add new trade, instrument gold. We want to sell, strategy, smart money concept, because we are trying to use liquidity zone and also volume level, which is good. We got lot size. Let me just check the level of the, sorry, not the level. Let me just check the lot size. It's 0.48, 0.48. Profits, we are trying to get $5,000. Open price is 491608. And the close price will be 4799.30. Today is the 6th of February 2026. Oh yes, Mr. Green. Yes, I said January, yeah? It's February. Open time, I'm not sure yet, so I'm gonna change that later. Close time also. Stop loss is for 230 pips. 230. Guys, this is crazy what gold is doing. We got a move of 2,500 pips in one day. It used to be like 400, maybe 300 pips a day on gold. Now it's 2,400. This is crazy. Crazy, especially if you got small account. It's hard to trade on small accounts because you're gonna have higher risk. Okay, take profit for how many pips? 1,100 pips. Wow, that's crazy. Risk 0.1. Okay, and I'm gonna choose the file 06 liquidity. Okay, let's add description. I have volume level few pips above equal highs and I'm expecting reaction at volume level. It's also the liquidity zone. The setup is risky. That's why my risk is 0.1%. Okay. This is trading plan, and let's save it. Can you tell me something about these two lines? Okay, I can tell you. Once again, trading plan today. All right. Two lines, yes. One is exponential moving average 21, and the other is a simple moving average 61. So they are working quite well. They are working quite well. Gold is going up. Let me just check something because I need to see. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, gold is slowly going up, so we're gonna try to enter the position here. The only thing is that if we're gonna be here and we're gonna have reaction, we need to secure the trade straight away. So if we're gonna have move 1-to-1, I'm gonna put break even, okay? Because we might have reaction, but I don't know if this reaction is gonna be strong. First of all, if we're gonna get to this area, we're gonna be outside the trend line, which is here, and we're gonna be on the other side of support resistance zone. So this is high risk trade, guys. Sorry. This is high risk trade. So after 1-to-1, we need to secure the trade because we might bounce from this support line and we might go straight up. So let's wait and see. We're gonna secure the trade pretty fast, so nothing to worry about. It's okay. All right, let's have a look at euro. What's going on euro? Euro USD 1 hour time frame. What's going on here? Euro stuck in some kind of range for the last few days. Let's say something like this. Price going up, down, up, down. So he's stuck in the range. Market probably was waiting for non-farm payrolls, but unfortunately it has been moved till next week, Wednesday. So we will see. We might have a chance from our basic strategy. We can try to find first of all our all-in panel, not all-in panel target. Second properties, I'm gonna change the hours. Let's have a look. I think this is done. Yeah, the price came back already to the target, which is good. Doesn't matter. But what we got here, we have Asian session. So we're gonna look for the liquidity zones on both sides. Not sure if any one of you used box breakout today. If yes, probably you're gonna be in profit soon, or you're already in profit. So box breakout looks like it worked in the morning. Not sure, probably a few more pips get to full take profit. So we got Asian session and we have liquidity on both sides. We can mark that liquidity zone. We are quite far because we are somewhere in the middle of the box, so maybe we're gonna look for different currency pair because we want to find something for now, so we can use it now and we can open the trade. GBP looks better. Maybe we're gonna switch to GBP. Oh yeah, it looks much better. Okay, just give me a second on this one. Nothing special. No, probably we're gonna switch to GBP USD because, like like Vital said, GBP is looking better. No, when I move stop loss on break even, I do not take half. I usually leave it. Sometimes depends on the market conditions, but no, I move to the break even and I'm waiting. GBP USDCAD. Okay, let's have a look. USDCAD, maybe it's gonna be the best option, better than GBP USD, because we are entering the liquidity zone and we're gonna try to use it. Okay, so let's switch quickly to USDCAD and let's have a look what's going on here. Do we have any rotation channel, anything like that? What can support us? Not sure, but it can be something like this. We got reaction here, reaction here, reaction here, 2-3 reactions from the top. So it looks like it's okay. Also, we got some support zone right here. Support resistance zone. So it's good place to go up from this place. Okay, now let's switch to 5 minutes time frame. And guys, what we need to wait for the price to enter. Basically, we already entered the liquidity zone, but let them go a little bit higher, maybe bounce from this trend line, and we're gonna look for the trade. We can add simple, I can say trend line. This is the latest one. Okay, this is the latest one. So let them go a little bit high, a little bit lower, guys. Then we're gonna wait for the breakout and we're gonna try to go up. Remember, guys, later on we got some news in Canada, but we still got plenty of time because those news are in about 5 hours, 5 hours time. So plenty of time. So this can be good option for us. This is basic buy setup using liquidity from Asian session and simple trend line. We can expect the price to go higher. When we look at higher time frame, we can see the price is moving up. So the direction is good. Let's have a look. So we're gonna try to use it. If you are looking at these boxes, guys, look on each day. The price got into liquidity zone and boom. The other side of liquidity and boom. Price got into liquidity zone, boom. Into liquidity zone, boom. Into liquidity zone, boom. So it's working every single day, guys, every single day. So I'm expecting the same thing now. We just need to wait. The price can go straight up here, but I cannot see buyers coming to the market yet. So probably the price will drop a little bit lower and then we're gonna look for the trade. If the price will break through this rotation channel, we got some support resistance zone over here. If we're gonna break through and retest this area, we have a chance for a bearish move. So we can try to use that later, probably. Let's focus now on Asian session box because it's looking it's looking quite interesting. Okay, so let me make a plan. I'm gonna try to do something like this: stop loss, safe option. And we can get 2-to-1, 3-to-1 to the other side of liquidity zone. So I'm gonna save this plan and we're gonna put that in the trading journal. This is USDCAD basic buy. I'm gonna put that into the trading journal in the second, guys. I want to have a look at crude oil because maybe I'm gonna set pending order. I was looking at this yesterday, today morning. Let me quickly explain it to you because we might have a chance to open position. Okay. We got this kind of trend line and we got breakout. The price came back and we got now reaction. We can basically try to open the position to get to the target. Sometimes we need only simple trend line to get to the target, and this target is we got 80% chances that the price will get here today. So let's try to do it. Crude oil. Before I wanted to set pending order, but we are in different situation now, so probably we can open the trade by the market, okay? Advanced order, risk mode. We just need to wait for the right candle, percent 0.25 points minus 20. Let's have a look. This is 1 minute time frame, so no, 5 minutes time frame. Okay, the target is at level 6335. Okay, we can get even nearly 3 to 1. Let's have a look. I want to check one more thing. Probably we need to enter the position now. We don't want to be late. I don't want to be late. Come on. The volume footprint is not helping us. Crude oil is okay too. Yes, we thought I can see. Can I mix price action and smart money concept at the same time on the chart? Of course you can. Of course you can, but sometimes it's better to stick to one strategy. I'm mixing many things and many strategies together. But, you know, sometimes less is better. Sometimes less is better. Because if you're gonna start looking for everything, it's gonna be hard for you to make decision to open the trade, because maybe one strategy will tell you to go up and the other strategy will tell you to go down, and you're gonna be confused. So sometimes it's better to stick to one strategy. But I'm personally mix stuff. Okay, what's going on? Not yet. You can see the bullish reaction. But guys, I'm gonna set pending order. Why not? At this level right here, with stop loss like this. This is 2,500, $5,000. Okay, let's leave it like this. So stop. Six three three five 6335. Yes, from this trade, if it's gonna activate, risk is $2,500, and we can get 6,600. But who knows, the price might go up. And I'm not saying to long position, because we got some spike move, we got flag. After the breakout, there is a chance we're gonna go higher. So let's have a look at the chart. Crude oil slowly going up. Maybe not that slow. Strong impulse today. But when we are looking at 5 minutes time frame, we got strong impulse and we had some pullbacks, but there is a chance we're gonna have a little bit bigger pullback. Yeah, this can be nice area for buy option, but let's wait and see. Because this is some kind of flag right here. Hope you can see that. It looks like for me that we're gonna go higher up, but this target is quite interesting. Maybe, you know, the price will go higher and we're gonna drop down later. That's, of course, it's possible. No, let's wait. Let's wait. We can look at the order flow. It will probably help us to make decision. So maybe we can enter position a little bit earlier. Okay, we need to wait a few more minutes. What's going on gold? Nothing special. Still few pips to get to that level, so no. Okay, let me check something. %. Here we got some spike move and spike and channel, and there was reaction at 50%. We got signal candle, so it looks more like buy than sell. But let's wait and see. Okay, what's going on with USDCAD? Yes, the price is slowly going down, which is good. We need to go a little bit lower. That's for sure. GBP, we got double top here. But GBP USD is in some kind of rotation channel from higher time frame, and we are near the bottom of this channel. So for me, better. For me, it's USDCAD is looking better. Okay. Okay, are we going down or not? Come on. Guys, while we are waiting, I would like to check order flow quickly. That's gonna take us 2-3 minutes, and maybe we're gonna find a quick setup for now. Let me just have a look. I'm gonna start from Euro USD. Quick one like yesterday on British Pound. Not really. No. We can use order flow to enter the position earlier on USDCAD because this is some kind of support resistance zone. And if we're gonna have our pattern here, I might open position before. I know we got trend line, but we will see. So we need to check in the second. USDCHF. No, USDJPY. Not really. Gold, not yet. The crude oil, not really. No, one more US 500, no. No, no, there's nothing from 1 hour time frame. We need to wait another 20 minutes to check order flow for the quick setups. Quick setup. And that is it. Second, volume footprint. We had set up in the morning, guys, here. Using order flow, quick one, 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. And that's what I'm looking for. Simple setup, quick profit. That's what we are looking for. And the same trade using order flow we had yesterday on GBP USD. This one here. That trade, I've used order flow to make profit. Quick one. Very effective. It's around 80% win rate on this trade. So pretty good. Okay. Crude oil, still nothing. I'm gonna leave that pending order for now, and we will see. But like I said, for me, it's looking more bullish than bearish. Okay, USDCAD going down, which is good. So we're gonna wait for that. Let's have a look if we got any targets from All in ASAP, like standard targets. What is this 1 hour time frame? This is quite far. Nothing on USDCAD. Australian dollar. This target is done. The price is moving slowly up. No, we are too far anyway. USDCHF. Oh, we might have a chance on USDCHF. It's going up. If USDCHF is going up, probably. We're gonna have a chance. How far are we? 29 pips. 29 pips. But we're not gonna enter position now after this kind of move, for sure. We can consider opening position, but we need to break through. And if we're gonna have any pullback retest of this area, I can do it from 5 minutes time frame, no problem, with stop loss under this area, and we can try to get to the target. This can work. We don't need to do it from 1 hour time frame, guys. We can do it from lower time frame. So if you want to find entry for now, we need to use lower time frames, not 1 hour time frame, because from 1 hour time frame, we need to wait 1 hour for the candle to close. And, you know, we need better entries. So this is some kind of support zone. I think trade is activated. Whoa, look at crude oil, guys. The trade is activated. I'm not gonna touch it. Let's go down. Something happened. 944. Look at this impulse. Let's go a little bit lower. Nice. This is what I'm talking about. Come on. We need to get a little bit lower to secure the trade. Come on. No. We don't want to go back. We want to go down. Crude oil. So we still got few pips to make. No, don't come back. Go down. Good, Vitold, good. Did you close the trade already? 1-to-1 was done, but the price is coming back now. We will see. We will see. No good, guys. No good. Because the price is coming back. We will see. We will see. This impulse here, perfect reaction at 38.2. Because this reaction is quite strong, we might have problem to go down. But anyway, you know, guys, we are following the rules, following the plan. If we're gonna get stop out, we're gonna get stop out. That's life. That is life. Come on, we still got some. We still got chances. It's very nice move, very dynamic. Good, guys. Look at crude oil. Come on. I'm gonna move because I moved take profit. I thought we're gonna go down to the basement. And so I'm gonna move my take profit to the target. So this is 36335. 335. So let's put 6340. Okay, $6,300. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. How big was this move? 51 pips. Okay, I don't want to miss anything, so let's check USDCHF. Oh, sorry, USDCAD. Not yet. Not yet. Come on. Let's go. I thought it's gonna be quick take profit because this impulse was very dynamic and we stop. Okay, we'll see. We will see. Maybe that was just some kind of manipulation. Come on. I want nice profit on Friday. Let's close this week with around $30,000 profit. We got $20,000 at this moment. So if we're gonna take profit from this one, we can place one more trade and we should get to 30,000. Come on, come on, come on. What's happening with gold? Gold is not activated yet. We are getting closer, but slowly. I'm worry a little bit because of this candle. We got bullish candle and the delta is 0 right here. So someone is pushing the price up. And because of this candle right here, probably we're gonna hit a stop loss. That is no good. Come on. USDCHF, I'm not sure. USDCHF, strong impulse. After this kind of impulse, I'm gonna leave it for now. I'm gonna focus on USDCAD. I think we got stop loss. Yes, we got stop loss. Okay. Not a problem. Not a problem. We're going to put that in trading journal. We need to count this to statistic, of course. To gold now, add new trade. What can we do? Sell strategy. SAP. Lot size was 1055. Profit. We can try to enter position later, guys. The target is still hanging there, but we need to find a new place to enter the position. And this is minus 2,848.50. Open price was 64 and the close price was 64.27. Today is 6th January 2026. Open time 0944, 0951. Stop loss. Stop loss was a bit tight. Stop loss for around 20 pips. Take profit for 50. Risk was 0.25. And we got stop loss. Yes, guys. Position was set here. That was stop loss. And take profit right here. Stop loss was smaller. Stop loss was like this. Okay, I'm gonna make a screenshot. I need to include that in statistics. That's not the best start of the day, but don't worry, guys. The day didn't finish. We don't worry about the losses. Remember, this is part of the game. So we cannot avoid stop losses. At least we are in profit in a whole week, guys. Liquidity, ASAP, okay. Save trade, trade history. Today, first loss. It doesn't matter, guys, because this week, let's have a look. This week, we got profit of $17,000 anyway, so. And we got pending order set on gold, so I'm looking forward for this trade right here because very low risk and we might get nice profit. So I think that's it, guys. USDCHF, USDCAD. I'm gonna look for the best if we're gonna have reaction now, because if we're gonna break through, there is a chance we're gonna drop down. So we need to stop somewhere here, and after the breakout I'm looking for long position, and hopefully we can get some nice profit for this one. And GBP, yes, after dropping down, yes, we got double top over here as well, but first I need to see the price to get into liquidity zone, and we're gonna wait for the breakout, and then we're gonna look for short position. Okay, so we can try to find opportunity on GBP later on, but at the moment Canadian dollar is looking quite interesting, and one position is set on gold, so let's wait for gold to be activated. That's it for now, guys. Another session is gonna start in 4 minutes time, so you can switch to Discord channel, and on our Discord channel there will be another live trading session, so we're gonna look for some more setups, maybe different strategy. Not the best start for Friday, but guys, anyway, we are in profit when we are looking at the whole week, so stop loss, it doesn't matter in the long term. At least we're closing every week plus. Good, guys, thank you for today, and I will see you. Thank you for this morning. I will see you later on at 2 p.m. On our Discord channel. We're gonna have another live trading sessions. I don't like stop loss. No one likes stop loss. Trust me, no one likes stop loss. But it's a part of the game. You need to understand that. Okay, guys, thank you for now, and I will see you